In this tutorial, we will show you how to operate your interior lights on your Sundance 880 series hot tub. To use the interior lights on your Sundance 880 hot tub, tap the screen to wake it up. Then hit the Lightbulb icon. From there, tap the interior light icon and you'll see all of your color options. You can pick a single color you like or tap the center of the color wheel to have the colors rotate automatically. If you want the rotation to go faster or slower, you can adjust the speed from 1 to 5. There's also a dimmer bar at the bottom of the color wheel if you want to soften the lighting a bit. If you want to turn the lights off, just tap the interior light button again to turn everything off. That's how to set the mood using interior lighting on your Sundance 880 hot tub. For more helpful tips, be sure to check out our other Sundance Spa tutorials from The Great Escape. See you next time.